You can see both the Bremon BM869S and the Preproduction UEI meter are in their AC+DC modes. We're currently applying 2.8 volts or so. This is DC, there is no AC. You can see I'm now applying roughly 7 volts, and again there's no AC component to this. You can see how the UEI meter just continues to hunt. Let me go ahead and increase the voltage. This is roughly 20 volts. You can see the UEI meter continues to hunt. This will be at 30 volts. This is with 40 volts almost. You can see it locks right in. Let's just drop this down a little bit. And you can see again, right at 40 volts is where it's going to kick in. And it's the same on the lower end. Let's just take it down to 5 volts. Now you can see at about 5.8 volts it starts to wander again. It just will not lock. So there is one way to make the Autorange work. Let's just go ahead and take it up to about 20 volts. And again you can see the UEI meter will not lock. Now what I'm going to do is manually range it. You can see it's reading the correct voltage. It's still in the AC+DC mode. And now let's put it back into auto mode. There you have it. Of course, if I drop this down to 0 and then bring it back to 20, you can see it just starts hunting again. Alright, so this is looking at it with an AC signal. Again, this is just a sine wave, and you can see it's putting out roughly 20.19 volts. And the AC+DC mode is 20.2. And again, we can see the UEI meter will not lock in on this. Let's just go ahead and rectify this signal. And now we can see we're reading roughly 9 volts of AC, and the AC+DC is 20. And 18 volts of DC. So again, to calculate this, the meter is basically taking the square root of the sum of the squares for both the AC and the DC components. Let's just detach it and reattach. Takes a little bit to come in, but let's just try dropping the voltage a little bit. And again, let's disconnect it and reconnect. Oh, so again, you can see it will not lock to this signal as well. Again, the AC plus DC is 7.4. You can see we are 3.42 volts of AC. So again, you can see the AC component is 3.46 or so, and 6.6 volts of DC.